creative YAML thing. Let me write it. I'm going to insert mode and start with this and Python space name colon base setup watch it. Enter host server one. Okay, I have to write task. Amar, you can check the syntax. Maybe
Hmm.
task and slash is hello. Hello. Sorry guys. So name we have to install HTTPD. Okay. What is we have to use yum and we have to specify this. So what I'm doing here is a list or dictionary.
It's a list, but Shima, I think you need to give a space before and after hyphen. Oh,
Yeah.
Shamim, can you make it bigger? It is small actually.
Okay. Now fine.
Yeah,
That's okay.
yeah, much better.
So syntax error may become later we will check if we not run this command. I don't know how to take it and if we need to practice. So target CLI and yum and now I have to come to this. It should be the same line. Save or something wrong. So whenever I type colon, you can see here his color has been changed. Space, alt, then I have to write. So guys, this dash and this dash should be in the same line. This should be in the same line. Okay. Let me correct this. Now, okay. What I have to do after that should be service administrator and we have to define service also. Services, services. reading. It.
Shim, small correction after name colon space HTTPD.
Exactly. That's why color has been not changed. Okay, guys. So I hope I written a proper way. Otherwise, let me make this clear more. Yeah. Stars. Right. So let me write this WQN quit. So my YAML is ready. The next command is yum info ansible. So this command give you basically information about everything what you have. Name, notch, version, release, size, repo installed from repo. I have a license too. If you want to know about the Ansible, this is what. Now I have to run our first Ansible playbook. So there is a command Ansible hyphen playbook and the file name. What we file name created? This is dot YAML. Error. So something is wrong here. Is not a valid attribute for play. The error appears to have been root slash in excess YAML line 2 column 3 but may be elsewhere in the file depending on the exact syntax problem. The offending line appears to be. So it will tell you if your playbook is wrong. You guys able to see this example, right? Dot 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 slash dash 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 name. Then we have to give space, two space exactly. Okay. So let me go to the next file and insert mode. Amar, is I am correct or not?
Even I'm trying to find it out. Even I'm running parallelly in my system, but even I got the same error.
So, guys, everything is fine. Our command is okay, but we are still not able to write this playbook. What?
Shamim, just a question. Should we have a space between the colon, name colon, name space colon, and then space setup? Because that was there in the document,
No
which was
space,
shared
right?
by Amar.
Let me
Space
check.
between colon.
Okay, okay, no problem. So, guys, no worries. Uh, let me open a tool. I'm going to open a tool. Download things from my Finder. So, this demo setup dot yaml host localhost connection localhost gather facts blah 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 blah. This is for launching instances in the AWS using Ansible YAML.
Okay. Okay.
The command I saved it, but I don't know. Okay, next point is here. So if I have to open a new file for a new tab, okay, that's what I wanted. Now we will write here and then we will correct it that side. The same thing, okay, guys. So how you have to write first? And come to here, and maybe I have to use this kind of no space. Should be a space. Setup Apache APACHE. Okay, so one spelling I got it here. Insert. Spelling is also not okay. APACHE. So by default, it's not giving me this space is okay. This fine. Name this and host should be with this file. Server one have a space. That's correct. Tasks. Okay. So this is the beauty you going to learn about this. It should be here. Name is installed HTTPD. Guys, try with your laptop also if you are with your machine or lab. One single error will not going to help anything. It's not moving. Okay, I got it. That is fine. Okay. Okay, guys. So let me try this. We are good.
So
So
what was
whenever
the issue that Apache spelling mistake?
a lot of things. So it's still giving me some error. No worries. So failed zero, unreachable one. Okay.
I think server one is not reachable. Try to ping it.
Server one is not reachable, but it should be installed on server 11. Okay, let me. One is also on. Let me, let me switch on the server one also.
Shimi, meanwhile, just show me the code, playbook
Playbook
code what you
code.
have written. Playbook, the
Okay, no
contents
worries.
of ML file.
So actually, my server one is down. That's why it's not on it. Otherwise, we are good with the playbook, whatever we written here. Okay.
Okay.
So let me do it first. So if we keep learning this kind of, we will finally be able to, Actually, this is the first time I am writing a YAML.
So what
Okay,
was
let
the
me.
issue?
Sorry,
So why did it fail at the first time?
server was switch off.
No, no, no.
Right?
It threw some error right at the initial stage, the first time when we ran.
Yeah, because we write a wrong format in YAML. So we have to some criteria. So that's why I told you guys you have to read YAML.
Okay.
Read YAML in the YouTube and find it. Keep trying to return it, write it. So that's what
Mhm.
I just downloaded a one text made something like that. So I just take it if this space is taking or not. So this is the good one. So when I type this, I got it where I am wrong actually in the Linux machine. Server one,
Can you
okay,
show
change.
the YAML file?
Yeah, let me. Yeah, it's not. Okay, let me. Yeah. So let me copy this, or I can share on the group. Let me share the group with you guys. Let me take a picture. Yeah. So guys, whatever come here, you just take a picture. So, okay. Now I have to try this on. server 11. Limit zero root in access dot retry. Come on, any comment on this?
But Shimim, I think the help giving by Ansible is not good here. It's not interactive,
Okay.
right? When you get some error, it's not so easy to interpret actually.
Okay, guys, do one thing. We have to close this session, and I'm going to stop this recording. I think it's not useful today. So tomorrow your office or not?
Mm. I don't have office tomorrow. It's off for me.
So I also have work. So let me do some work on the practical thing, and I will get back to you tomorrow morning accordingly. Because if you guys don't know, let me open my these things. So whoever the book, you need to learn first. I'm still telling you, read 3 and 4 chapter. Otherwise, it is very difficult to you guys. So what I did, what I am going to do tomorrow, I will be back. Okay. So we will do this kind of task, whatever I mentioned here. Okay, we can do this also. This is very quickly I can. Obviously, the Python HTTP library to Python package. Okay. Otherwise, we'll leave it for tomorrow. Managing facts, guarding, managing tools. Because 3, 4 chapter is very important. If you are still not reading, you're not able to understand these things. You can also not work on it, so that's why I'm not able to answer you guys this time. I have to rework out, and I have to rework out with my lab also. Okay, so I can make it. But so let me explain you a little bit about here. What is the playbook? And so whenever type the playbook in access.yaml in something file, so play setup Apache. So this kind of is giving the result dot dot or star star star. Task gathering facts. This kind of option. And it's saying okay, it's able to communicate with this. What it's not able to do here, task install stpd. Total error is giving because we need something we need to change in the YAML configuration in the YAML file. So something actually uh, wrong here. Installed. I don't know. Maybe the format. It can be the format, or this is the way it's written. It may be the wrong way. That's why it's not able to push it from the Red Hat or Red things. Are you able to understand, right? What I'm trying to say? Amar, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
So that's why
Actually,
when
I'm
I
editing
think
my file. Actually, still I'm facing the problem.
Yeah.
Maybe. Oops, it
Host
started
equal
again.
to server one. Aslam is also saying. No, actually, server one we already tried, so it was switch off. So I just changed my code YAML file here, and so I'm trying with the server 11, but it's also giving me the same error. Aslam, Aslam, you're in office.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let me. I can do one more thing here. So if I can troubleshoot it or not. Got control Z errors. HTTPD. So let's try this file again, and let's see what. Something is still wrong. So still we are able to commit with the server, but not able to install the package. Use limit zero root and access to try. No package matching HTTPD found available. Install or update it. No package matching.
Shamim, did you miss a space between HTTPD and that hyphen?
Let me check.
It have to be a space. Have given HTTPD, right? Space HTTPD
Exactly.
hyphen space HTTPD.
I can try this. You're right.
Now try.
Yeah,
I think it worked. I believe.
it's done, sir. Good finding. So I just given a one task, HTTP installed. Let me change my YAML file again. And what we can add here? We can add NFS utility insert mode. Guys, if you mistake anything like that, your command will not work. Amar, your works or not?
No, yeah, still in editing the file.
It
Still
is a big
finding out
task.
where exactly what
But
space I missed. Still finding out.
once we started writing this kind of, this is very easy for us. Targets alive. Okay, guys, let me give on this, please. That's it. Now we are able to
The
run.
space is the space is mandatory.
I think yes, because we're giving something, okay, let me explain you. This is another part. This is another part. This listing of tasks is doing install HTTPD, and what we have to install, we have to mention through yum. Name of the services is there. And this is for the start service. This is for the installation. This is for the start service. Service name is HTTPD and start status. Got my point?
Yeah.
It's doing something on server 11. No worries. And for the playbook, you can write a many playbook. You can save it. You can do a lot of things. But how we going to do with this? I mean, many with many servers or inventory files. I will talk about it later because still I am so. So tomorrow, Amar, can you, everybody is on leave or they have a holiday. So what we do,
Okay.
we can finish third, fourth chapter by tomorrow at any cost. At any cost,
Okay. Fine.
and we need to do looping and variable also. Var, calling how to call a variable and how to So this is working. I think it's happened now. I mean, it's good. We don't have anything fail. Fail is zero. Fail is zero. Server 11, okay, three means we have three tasks we given to him to install it. And it's changed. One is changed
Okay.
because why it's giving change to one? Because something only one is installed, rest two is already installed. It's important model Ansible working. So we have to install it. The PDN is already running on that. So that's why install something else. Only one part is installed. So if it's a fresh installation, it will show you three changes here. Otherwise, it's showing only one. You got my point? No, guys, still you are confusing. There
Yes,
are
yes,
three
yes.
services: HTTPD, NFSability, and Target CLI. But something two is already installed with this machine or started. So that's why it's changed something one. So that's why change is showing only one. Okay, Amar, you got it?
Yep. I still, but I am unable to success here. Still, it is showing me first line name setup Apache. I don't know what
Okay.
Uh,
mistake I am doing actually.
Let me
check,
explain you.
Amar, check this. Check the spelling of Apache. Is it Apache?
The spelling is right, but
Okay, okay. No. What happened here?
task.
If you're using your machine, can you quickly share your screen because we are success here. So I don't think any issue with this play. And this session is going good. I can upload this on YouTube.
Yeah, even I got now.
You got now, huh?
Yeah.
So guys, any
What
question?
was the
We
issue,
are
Amar?
My issue is tasks. I wrote task. It should be yes. I missed the yes there.
okay,
Okay.
okay. This is the small mistake we can do. Pankaj and Samir is somebody else to join this. So guys, I hope you understand this. Can you come up and speak if you want? Pankaj, M, and Samir.
I think I think they might have slept off.
Okay, guys.
It is Sunday,
Guys,
12 o'clock. Shalini.
guys, have fun, and we will meet you tomorrow. Tomorrow at what time? Can we start from 10?
Shimon, that
Tomorrow is a
okay.
holiday.
Yeah, everybody have heard. And even Hyderabad, Delhi, my center is also closed.
Oh,
So I have a
Tomorrow
full
holiday.
day. Huh?
Can I know the reason why holiday in Hyderabad tomorrow? I
I
don't
don't
think
know.
so. Even Friday is festival here. I do agree.
but yeah, even I didn't also know, did not get any notification that tomorrow is a holiday.
Hmm.
Maybe somewhere is, somewhere not. I don't know. But I am on leave. My center is closed to
Okay.
it. And I'm not doing any job right now.
Hmm.
Okay, guys. Have fun.
You are the most lucky guy, Shami.
I'm not lucky at all. I'm trying to leave, keep running, putting my ash, Also. Okay, Amar. So do this practice and let me share this again. Struct picture. So
Yeah,
guys, if
sure, Shimon.
if you have do any syntax error, it will not work. Always remember this.
Yeah,
So
now
let me
it's
click.
working for me actually.
Working now. Okay, great.
Yeah, I the tasks I think I should give. I missed the yes actually, and I'm breaking my head again.
Great, great, great. What is the result of it? Let me click. So what you see in here? Again, I'm telling you. You're running the command 2 3 times. Changed zero. Why? Because
Because
it's
it's
already
already there, right? No,
yeah.
no, no. The thing is, configuration management will not do anything if the service is up and if the software is already installed.
Yeah.
They won't do anything, any changes. So that's the reason change it is 0.
Okay, guys. I think we should quit now.
Just a question, okay? See, using Ansible also you can, for example, Shamim showed the example of creating a EC2 instance, right?
Yes, I showed you.
So now you have Terraform also, right? For creating VMs and also.
Yes, we will come. I will teach you Terraform even. Don't worry.
Okay, okay.
If you guys understand Ansible properly, there is
Uh-huh.
any other tool. I'm telling you, Ansible is very base of everything. It can be anything, Puppet, it can be Bad Terraform, it can be Salt. There's a different methodology you have to use. But once you understand Ansible properly, you will kick anything very easily.
Okay.
You will quickly catch that. So that's why
Uh-huh.
I'm forcing as keep third, fourth chapter finished. Otherwise, you will stuck over here. You cannot move further.
Okay.
Shimin, did that code got success? That playbook, creating an EC2 instance.
Yes, it was. I have not tried that, but I found it somewhere in the community group.
Oh,
So MIID, yeah, I can do that. No worries.
it looks
Exact
interesting
count.
actually.
It's very interesting, sir. We are doing
Mm,
basic things. We are not reached to that point in the production environment.
yes,
And I have a lab access. I'm telling you, I will
and
interact you.
registered.
Very very
Oh,
good thing. Automation and everything. So I hope guys, whoever joined this session, you must read third, fourth chapter. Otherwise, I'm not going to take this session. Very simple.
Shamim,
mm.
uh,
Yes.
this document is shared is shared in the group.
I'm not sharing group because in group lot of inactive members.
Okay, okay,
You can ping me. I will share you the book only.
okay, okay, okay.
And who is
Because
regular with
yeah,
joining?
I was actually looking now for the document. I'll ping you.
Yeah, I think I forwarded you. Not
I I don't have it in my laptop. Let me see if I have it or not. I don't think I have it.
install Telegram in your laptop and do it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm from laptop only, but
I given you some access today. Acha, okay, you have that access for AWS, right?
yeah, yeah. But but still haven't logged in actually. I have the
So,
access.
basically, what I'm trying to do here, first we have to understand how to write these things.
Uh-huh.
Once you practicing these things, you are doing anything like very quickly. And
Uh-huh.
I'm telling you guys, if you understand Ansible properly and you know the Ansible thing, any other tool you are easily able to work, and even you can get a job very easily. Ansible. Most of the telecom companies using Ansible. So one is